great escape. This story is about a famous king named Shivaji. He had a son called Sambhaji. Once, their enemy Aurangzeb laid a plan to kill Sambhaji and Shivaji. Aurangzeb invited Shivaji to come to Agra, his capital city. There, when Shivaji and Sambhaji were resting in the court of Emperor Aurangzeb at Agra, Shivaji said, "I am glad I was invited here by the emperor." To this, Shivaji said, "Yes, father, we also brought along our soldiers. They must be very happy." While they were talking, suddenly guards came to Shivaji and Sambhaji and led them out. Shivaji asked, "Where are you taking us?" To this, the guard replies that they are taking them to the prison inside Agra fort. Soon, Shivaji realized that they have been tricked by Emperor Aurangzeb. The Aurangzeb invited them only to make them prisoners in Agra fort. Shivaji was a very kind person. He was worried about his soldiers, so he asked the emperor to let his soldiers return to their kingdom. Also, he made a plan to escape. Shivaji shared his plan with his son Sambhaji and said, "Sambhaji, I will lie in bed and pretend to be very ill for few days. When emperor's doctor have seen me, I will pretend that I am feeling better. Soon after that, I will ask the emperor to allow me to order baskets of sweets and fruits to be distributed to the poor as a thanksgiving to God for making me feel better again." The plan was carried out. Basket of sweets and fruits came to Shivaji's room every day. He then sent them to be given among the poor people in Agra. One day, Shivaji heard a commander saying, "I am tired of checking these baskets. There is nothing in them except sweets and fruit. I will order my men to stop checking the baskets from now on." Listening this, Shivaji told about his further plan of escape to Sambhaji. Shivaji said that he have his trusted friend Hiroji who will visit him tonight, and he will lie in the place of Shivaji in the bed while Shivaji will escape with his son. Also, once Shivaji and Sambhaji are out of the gates, then Hiroji will give an alarm by shouting, "I am very ill," and he will run to the gate and tell the head guard that he need to fetch a doctor right away. And he will also make his way out of the gate in this way. The plan was carried out well. When the guards pulled off the sheets, they found nothing but pillows lying in place of all Shivaji, Sambhaji, and their friend Hiroji. And before Aurangzeb could do something, Shivaji, Sambhaji and Hiroji, all three of them were able to escape from Agra with this plan.